All right, students, I had a really good question about today's asynchronous work. So if you're trying to complete your flip book and you are looking for the name of the states for each region, this is how you need to find them. When you open this presentation, you need to make sure that up here you click present and you're in the present mode. Okay. Once this loads, you should be able to click through the presentation. Okay. I'm going to jump to slide 4 because I know that's where the name of the states are. So in my flip book, I need to record what 11 states make up the Northeast region. So when I get to this slide here, there are 11 states that make up this region. To find the name of those states, if you're in the presentation mode, you would simply click the center of your screen here. So New Hampshire is one. I click the center of the screen. New York is the second. I click again. Rhode Island is the next. Okay, and each time you click the screen, the states will appear. So make sure you're in presentation mode to find the name of the states. And don't forget to come find me on Google Meet if you need help.